Hey, so welcome back. Just to let you all know, just got home from work, and something absolutely crucial to my dive kit has arrived in the mail. It's the last piece of kit that I plan on buying, like the last piece. We'll see how that goes. But it's something that's integral to the sport of diving, and that's called it's the BCD, the buoyancy compensator device. So I just got mine, and I'm kind of excited because the model that I went with, it's pretty new on the market. I don't know anyone that personally that owns it, but I'm really excited to try it out and get it wet, as the pros say. So thanks for joining me, and let's go enjoy that unboxing. Okay, so here we go. All right. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, wow, the smell. That new dive gear smell, I love it. Oh boy. Oh. All right, so I have one of the shoulder straps here. Guessing this is the, well, I'm not sure if it's the right or the left shoulder strap. I guess I'll need to check to see how it's labeled. That's one thing there. Then there's this is the color kit. Wow. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit more about what exactly I bought. Right. I'll go into some details. I'll tell you about it in 1 second. Let's take everything out of the box. Oh. Here we go. Aqualung OMNI. Wow. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna need to take this out and do this properly so you all can see everything properly here. Alright, so here we go. The Aqualung OMNI BCD. Now this one, I still need to put everything together, but this is essentially it's a jacket style modular BCD that's designed using the Aqualung. It's using the Aqualung modular system that they use for, I think it's the Rogue BCD. It's one of the backplated wing BCDs, and this one uses the same technology, same patented technology, but it does it with a traditional jacket style BCD, and that's exactly what we have here. It's the jacket style. Everything, I need to attach everything to set it up properly, but I'll do that in a short while. Here we have the area here at the back where the tank would be attached, secured there. It has the grip system. I think they call this is this the Griplock? Yes, this is the Griplock. So attaching the tank will be a lot simpler than using the strap, the 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, which we still have to learn, but I don't like doing it. I prefer this a great deal. So this would be attached to the back of the BCD. I'll do that in a little bit. It comes with the straps and so on that have to be attached. Everything is really straightforward. It's mod lock, so it's just like you just plug it in and twist and it hooks. Really simple. Is one of the shoulder straps there. Here we have another one of the shoulder straps, all pretty straightforward. Here we have our weight pockets. It's an integrated weight system. So you just take the weights, you load it into the weight pocket. Well, this is the weight pocket, but there's like a removable part that snaps in right here. And the weights will go into that and just snap in. This will be at the side. Typical, it's for the most part, it looks like a standard beast jacket style BCD. It has everything as you would expect, our inflator hose, our pockets, some nice big pockets on this, and a couple of grommets here so we can attach like a dive knife or maybe a holder to hold the Octo or the SPG. Now this one also has some color kit to it. So like the different versions, well, not versions, but like you could buy the Aqualung OMNI BCD, and you could purchase like a different color kit. So I went with white, and so it comes with like a white handle there for the part for the weight bucket. It also has some white here on this padding that goes to the back. It's like well, it's very nice and it's neat. It's very aesthetically pleasing. Also, we have the other weight pocket, and we have an actual octo pocket that would attach. This would probably go on the right hand side because we want our octo on the right. We have a console pocket specific for the SPG, and again, this is the one I went with is white. Some people would go with different colors. There's blue, like a turquoise, pink. I don't think they call it pink. I think they call it raspberry. Raspberry. Yeah. Not sure where this one is going just as yet, but I'll figure it all out. I do intend to read the manual. But yeah, this is nice. So let me put it all together and give you a little look at that, and just stay with me. I'm gonna give you one last look when I put everything together, and then we'll close off. So there we go. The Aqualung OMNI. Assemble it myself. Took a couple minutes. Yes, I know, lockdown. Maybe not just lockdown. But yeah, I assembled it on my own. Didn't need any help. I used a resource video. I think it was Scuba Diver Magazine had a video doing the assembly process. So I just followed their steps. Just to go through some of the features here. We have two of these pre-bent D-rings. Now, very often when I'm looking at like stuff with new gear, they always talk about these pre-bent rings, and I think I realized why it's so easy, like such a big deal. You can get like the carbiners and the bolt snaps and clips and so on. They'll be able to hook on a lot easier when they're pre-bent. So it's out at an angle. So if you think about when you're underwater and you probably can't see properly, clip, easy process. Putting this together, I mean, it's one of those things where you apply logic in terms of where you would expect the parts to go. It was not a difficult process at all. I do like it. It came in a few different parts, but all in all, wasn't difficult to put together. I feel like the part at the waist, maybe I'm just not adjusting it properly, but I feel like it doesn't give me as much freedom for adjustment. But I just started playing around with it, so I'll figure things out before my next dive, and yeah, let everybody know how it goes. Really happy with this. This is the type of BCD that I think this is me. This is definitely me. I like it a lot. Something to just give you a look at. It has all the essential things. You have like your dump valves. You have the lower one as well. Now the reason why you'll always see, some people we may have noticed there, sometimes you would find that a BCD has lower and upper dump valves. That is because based on the position you're in the water, when you pull the releases and dump the gas that's in the BCD, based on which of the valves you pull on, that will determine where the air comes out from. So, and air would always go up. So, there's a little logic behind in which one you're going to be using at which point in time. So, I'm going to spend some time getting more familiar with these things, make sure I'm able to use it as it's intended, to ensure that I'm able to dive properly and safely. Chances are, even here with the initial setup, maybe I didn't do everything as I was supposed to, so I'm going to make sure those things were done properly before utilizing this, which should probably be in about 2 weeks' time. I'm saying 2 weeks' time, but I might fast forward that. So yeah, check things out. But as it is right now, I finally have a complete, what I consider to be a complete kit, a complete dive kit. I have my own BCD, I have my own fins, I have my own computer, I have my own mask, wetsuit, I have a snorkel, gloves and so on. And yeah, I think I'm just about ready. So I'm gonna get a little bit more familiar with this before utilizing it. Thank you, folks.